Must just spend their money just to buy the internet card. How about if 1 week they spend 2 GB internet packet, SMS in a month, they will spend 8 GB to access internet. Or if 1 month they will spend 240,000 rupiah just for to buy the internet card. That a big nominal. And with internet, we easily to access the forbidden site that can harm to self, to themselves. That's why I agree with this motion. I believe the internet have more harm than good. Okay, internet. So, I believe, like, for internet media, Facebook, there are many criminal cases doing that. Example, from beginner from Facebook, they are introduced, then they are making that happen in criminal case like fraud or other. And for the senior high school, it's harm the internet because of like my first in the internet there are many content about the porn. As we know, the porn content in the internet are so much. And like example for YouTube, there are many negative videos and negative content like the porn and the sex scene, there is the picture and other. So together, the internet is more harm. So today, the parents, today, okay. So today, ladies and gentlemen, okay, I sure my team is better than opposite team, and I believe smart people have the same thing with us, and I also believe the educator are smart people. Okay, and I will thanks.